cathode ray tube. So we are going to directly go into so by the definition, we are saying the cathode ray tube, this is a device or a special instrument that is used or allow us to view the images of other devices. So when you are, maybe you are looking at the cathode ray oscilloscope, that is where the cathode ray tube is used. Its application can be appreciated well when it is applied in the cathode ray oscilloscope. So this is the definition for the cathode ray tube. This is the device that allows us to view images of other devices. Now, what are some of the components that makes up the cathode ray tube? Therefore, the following are the components of the cathode ray tube. So one, look at it contains the cathode. Two, it contains the anode. So this, that's where we have the electron gun as the main. So the following are the components of the cathode ray tube. One, the main component of the cathode ray tube is the electron gun. Now, this electron gun contains the cathode, and which eventually has the anode, which forms the tube. So the anode releases, the cathode emits. So the cathode will emit the electrons once it receives the high voltage. That is the purpose of the cathode. So therefore, what is the note? So that is what it means by the cathode ray. I'm saying the cathode ray, this is the beam of electrons that travels at a very high speed. So once these electrons are produced by the cathode, once it receives the high voltage, then the cathode is going to emit or release these electrons that moves as a beam, as a collection of electrons at a very high speed. That is the cathode ray. Now, we have also what is called the screen. When you look at the components, we have also the screen, and this screen, the screen So the screen of the cathode ray tube is coated with a material which is called the fluorescence. Of course, this material, once it is bombarded with a lot of electrons, it is going to grow, or rather it will produce light. So that is the purpose of coating the screen of the cathode ray tube with the fluorescence. It is a special material which will grow once it receives the bombardment of the electrons, as these electrons are being produced by the cathode and forms a beam of electrons that we call the cathode ray. Apart from that, we may also look at what are some of the structure of the cathode ray tube. What is the structure of the cathode ray tube? So the following is the structure. So this is basically the structure of the cathode ray tube, where we have the low voltage that is coming as a result of having the high voltage, which provides automatically the voltage, which is the AC voltage. Then we have, therefore, the anode and the cathode, and this is the Matassa cross, and these, what we have, these electrons.